Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Measure 6 cups crisp rice cereal, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, and 10 ounces marshmallows before you start. Put the cereal in a large bowl so it's ready for assembly. Line a 9x 13-inch pan with parchment and lightly butter the paper so treats release cleanly. Use a large, heat-proof saucepan and a flexible spatula for stirring. Have an offset spatula or buttered hands nearby for pressing the mixture into the pan. Work quickly when marshmallows are melted to avoid hardening and uneven texture. Melt 4 tablespoons butter over low heat in a saucepan until foamy, then add all marshmallows. Stir continuously until marshmallows are completely melted and glossy, about 2 to 3 minutes, taking care not to brown them. Remove from heat, and with the pan tilted away, add the melted mixture to 6 cups crisp rice cereal. Pour the melted marshmallow mixture over the cereal and fold gently with a spatula until every flake is coated. Work quickly to transfer to the prepared 9x 13-inch pan and press evenly without compress mixture into the 9x 13-inch pan with a buttered spatula or parchment to a uniform 1-inch thickness. For extra flair, fold in 1 cup chopped chocolate, 1/2 cup peanut butter, or 1 cup chopped nuts before pressing, or sprinkle 1/4 cup toasted coconut on top. Chill for 10 minutes if you prefer firmer edges, but allow the pan to rest undisturbed for at least 30 minutes before cutting. Cut into 2-inch squares using a buttered knife, and store in an airtight container at room temperature up to 3 days or refrigerate for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.